Hello, hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Today is 28th. This is 28th of September. So I'd like us to look at our charts today. I want to just look at a brief analysis of some instruments. I want us to start off with gold. We'll be looking at what we expect to be happening on those instruments for this week, and then what we expect to be happening also for the next. So we'll start by looking at our charts from the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame. Then we scale down to the lesser time frames. Ignore these lines you're seeing on my screen. So we have a very good level here. This is at the very top. This is the first resistance level. Then we have another level here, and then we have another level here. Then we have another level at this price. Then we have another level here, and then we have another level at this price. Then we have another level here, and then we have another level at this price. So basically what has happened now is that the price has just gone below a significant support level. On the monthly time frame, we had a support here. You can see that the current month candle is actually below the same level. So according to the monthly chart, we are indeed sellers. We are expecting excuse me. So according to the monthly time frame, we are sellers. We expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards, at least up to this point, which is 1533.47. So on the sellers time frame, on the monthly time frame, you're supposed to keep looking for sell positions. Expect an extension to the lower side, at least up to this point here. So this is on the monthly chart. If you check the weekly chart, we see the same thing. So on the weekly chart, we're going to specifically identify the zone. Here you can see we had a resistance, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, and we had a support here. Then there was this breakout. So right now, as we're speaking now, you can see that the price, there is no level stopping the price in between here, except for this zone here. So that means that the price is headed for a sell. We are actually headed for a sell, at least up to this point here. So keep looking for sell orders, keep looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So that's my opinion on this chart. The next chart which I want us to have a look at, what I'm saying here in conclusion is that the price is bearish, therefore we should keep looking for sell positions. My next chart. The next chart is silver. So one thing before I move to silver is that if silver and gold tend to move in the same manner, so when you see a possible sell on gold, just know that the same sell may be on a different chart. So we have that chart. This is gold. On silver, we'll check it on the monthly time frame. You can see almost the same structure. We had a level here. We have a level here. This is a support. This is 22.125. We have another level here. This is 28.098. Then we have another level here. This is 13.856. And then we have another level here. As we're speaking now, the price is below the same place, which is below 18.415. So this here is a good place to look for a sell from. Expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this level here, 13.856. So if you're on this chart right now, you should keep looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push us downwards, at least up to this point on the monthly time frame. So that's this on the monthly time frame. Let's check the weekly time frame. On the weekly chart, we still have the same thing, but now we'll refine this zone. So we have that. This is a very good resistance level. Now that the price is below it, we have a resistance, and then we have another zone here. So what we expect to happen now is that since gold is bearish and silver is below this zone is 1866.2 and 1841.5. As long as the price remains below these two lines, we expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this level here. So as you can see, there is nothing in between which is making price to stop from going upwards, although the price may decide to go upwards anywhere, but we do expect that the sellers may likely continue to push us downwards up to 13.856. So this chart is a sell. We are sellers at least up to these two lines here. My next chart is Brent oil. We have it here. With Brent oil so far, if we look at it from the monthly time frame, we'll delete all the lines we have already. So with Brent oil, this is a very good resistance level here. We have a very good resistance level. We have another one, and then we have another one. Then we have this level there. This is like a supportive trend line. You can see it was used nicely as a support here. We had a support, and we had a support there. Then we also had some shape here. We had another. So we had a shape here, we had a shape there. The price has bounced off from this point, as added short. We have another level here. So as we are speaking now, it looks like on Brent oil the price is headed towards a very significant supportive level, which is this zone. This is 84.459 and 82.951. This is a significant support zone on the monthly time frame. So as long as the price does not break and close below it, this here should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So we just want to see what happens. If the price fails to descend below this point, we are going to be looking for buy positions, and if the price breaks and closes below it, then we are going to look for sell. So as I was saying, we have a very good support here. This is the level we don't expect the price to break below. As long as the price does not clearly descend and close below this point, these two lines, this is going to give us a good place to look for a buy from. So we are just waiting to see whatever happens. As long as the price does not clearly descend and close below these two lines, this should give us a good place to buy from next week or even this week. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's weekly overview. We are going to meet again next week at the same time. Thank you and see you.